meat is enjoyed by most people here in Saudi Arabia. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you the different foods that can be eaten in a day by the different Arab people. Our meat came in, like I told you, my boss buys a whole goat or a whole sheep. They cut it into pieces, then they bring it home. When they bring it home, we put it in different polythene bags to store for future use. So the meat was brought in. After putting it in the different portions, my madam came in to prepare what we call kepsa laham, but I didn't get the whole process. Like, I was busy here and there. I just got some few parts. Like, you know, our work, you can't vlog at the same time. You are very busy. Maybe when you get time, that's when you can vlog the whole process. But I promise I'll make a video of how kepsa laham is cooked here in Saudi Arabia. So the meat was in, and we had to cut it, we had to wash it, and put it in the freezer for further use. One thing I like here in Saudi Arabia is their food. If you find a family that is never mean on food, guys, you'll enjoy the food at the fullest point with no limits. But if you find a house where they are very mean when it comes to food, you'll die of starvation. Here, my bosses, anything to do with food, I'm always given a priority, either to cook what I want, or when the food is ready, they normally take off my portion after serving to their kids. But if it's me who is serving, definitely when you're in the kitchen, that means you have to get a portion for yourself. So this was the meat. It's going to be put in polythene bags. Then after polythene bags, we are going to put it in the freezer. By the way, before I forget, today was Azuma. The mother-in-law of my madam had come in, and we had different foods for the day. Yeah, so this was a food platter organized for her, that as soon as she arrives, she can have some coffee and the fruits. Then later, for lunch, my madam cooked laham, rose with laham, which is called kepsa laham. Like I told you, I wasn't able to get the whole footage, but let me hope you enjoyed. And laham was served as soon as possible. Do you know that here in Saudi Arabia, they can eat more than 5 times a day? This was like lunch, because lunch was served at midday. Then later in the day, they brought in more laham and rose. Then later in the day, they brought in fish. You people, like I told you, what I love here in Saudi Arabia is food. If you find a family that are not mean on food, hey guys, you can consume the food and even forget your last name. So let me hope you give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. If you would want me to talk about anything, leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply you. Welcome to my channel. This is my channel where I do lifestyle vlogging, traveling as a Ugandan housemaid here in Saudi Arabia. I send you my hugs and kisses to all my new and old subscribers. Thank you for your amazing support. I really appreciate you all. This was another food in. Hey, when the mother-in-law comes in, even the sons come here, because most sons live here in the city of Dammam. Most sons live here. So when the mother comes in, all of them gather here, because the mother-in-law has 9 children. My boss Baba is the first son, then the others that follow. So I call her our mother-in-law, because she's the mother-in-law of my madam, and she loves my madam so much. So whenever she comes here in Dammam, she normally stays at my madam's place. Her and my madam, they connect very, very well, and they are very good friends when it comes to the relationship between the mother-in-law and and her, because I've never seen her sleep anywhere. Whenever she travels and she's supposed to come to Dammam, for the years that I've lived here in Saudi Arabia, she'll normally sleep here, unless otherwise when she has maybe other people with her that accompanied her along the journey, that's when she'll go to the B&B for my bosses. Yeah, so this was food. It was laham, it was chicken, it was rice, it was a food platter. I don't even how I can call it. Like I told you, here in Saudi Arabia, they can eat more than 5 times because they love food, most especially if it's meat. Hey, these guys love meat. Yeah, so let me take you along the video as we watch the different foods that were served for the day when the mother-in-law had come in. Remember, whatever food that is eaten, even the sons will eat, the daughters-in-law will eat, all of them will eat. Yeah, but like I told you, the mother-in-law is the best friend to my madam. So this was a fish platter. Can you imagine a fish platter with different types of fish, and it was very delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me take you along the video as you see the different foods that were served for the day when the mother-in-law came in. So when eating was done, men started dancing. Yeah, my boss's brothers, like I told you, we are in the moods of wedding. Wedding moods. So they were dancing. I had to mute the music because I don't like a copyright strike or a copyright claim from YouTube. So I took some videos, though I didn't take most of them, but where you see that I covered the face, it was the face of the elder daughter and the mother-in-law. Yeah, the mother-in-law is visiting us often. Why? Her last son is getting married. Yeah,